Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce complexity of grammar with Grammarly, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce the complexity of grammar using Grammarly, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Grammarly website. If you don't have an account, create one or log in if you do. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the text box. You can either type directly into the box or paste your text from another source. After adding your text, Grammarly will analyze it automatically. Look for underlined words or phrases, which indicate suggestions. Pay attention to the complexity suggestions marked by a blue underline. Click on these underlined sections for Grammarly's recommendations. Grammarly may suggest simpler words or phrases to enhance clarity. Accept or reject the suggestions based on your preference. Next, check the readability score displayed on the right side. Aim for a score that reflects simplicity if you want your text to be easily understood. Review any highlighted sentences that may be too complex. Consider breaking long sentences into shorter ones. Adjust the tone settings if necessary, to ensure proper audience engagement. Once satisfied, copy the revised text. You can now use it in your desired application or platform. Regularly use Grammarly to practice and maintain writing clarity. This will not only improve your writing but also enhance your understanding of grammar. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce grammar complexity with Grammarly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.